What food safety rules apply to pop-up drink stands selling boba? The main rules are to keep the ingredients clean, the equipment sanitized, and the drinks at the right temperature to prevent germs from growing. When you sell boba at a pop-up drink stand, you need to make sure everything is very clean because boba has ingredients like tapioca pearls and milk that can spoil easily if handled wrong. First, all the utensils, containers, and surfaces must be washed and sanitized regularly so no harmful germs spread. The water used to cook the tapioca pearls has to be clean and safe. The boba itself should be cooked fresh and kept warm, but not too hot or left out too long because bacteria grow quickly between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold drinks should be stored in coolers with ice or refrigeration to stay safe. Also, anyone making or serving the drinks should wash their hands often and wear gloves if possible. Something not many people know is that the sweet syrup used in boba drinks can also attract bugs or mold if left uncovered, so it needs to be sealed tightly when not in use. Keeping everything covered helps stop dust and flies from landing on the ingredients. A common mistake is not washing hands frequently enough, which can spread germs even if everything else is clean, so always remember to wash hands before handling food. Another issue is letting the tapioca pearls sit out too long after cooking. They need to be eaten or refrigerated within a few hours to avoid spoilage. Some sellers forget to keep cold ingredients cold or hot ingredients hot, which creates a perfect spot for bacteria to grow. To avoid this, use thermometers to check temperatures regularly and never leave items out at room temperature for extended periods. Also, sometimes people don't realize that cross-contamination can happen if the same utensils touch raw and cooked ingredients, so always use separate scoops or spoons when handling different items. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer estimates directly.